Well, hey, what are you doing? Welcome to Gravel Bike Pirate Kitchen. So today on Gravel Bike Pirate, I'm going to go through my dirt ball recipe. It's more of a guideline sort of thing than anything else. Doesn't really have a recipe, but it's just you mix certain things together to make it happen. My stepson Logan is going to help me do the camera work, and here we go. Start with 2 teaspoons of flaxseed. Grind it up. That looks good. Now we're going to add our chia seeds. 2 teaspoons of chia seeds to the flax. Now take the flax and the chia seed, add it into 2 cups of oats. Then I'm going to take some coconut, and you can put in as much as you want or as little as you want. I'm just putting in the rest of the package. And some walnuts. I'm just going to kind of eyeball that too. Whatever you like. Just stick in what looks good. About 2 hands full. Mix it up with your handy dandy hand. And this is less of a recipe than it is kind of a eyeball sort of thing. So let's take a couple scoops of peanut butter, probably about a cup or so of peanut butter in the bowl. Now squirt in some honey. That should be good. I'll pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Oh, a little more. After your peanut butter and honey are melted up like that, now you add your peanut butter and your honey into your dry ingredients. Notice I did not add the chocolate chips yet. If you add the chocolate chips before this, it will melt the chocolate chips and you'll end up with the chocolate all through the ball instead of little chocolate chips throughout the ball. So it kind of depends on how you want it. Now it's time to get messy. And swoosh all of this up and make sure that it's not too hot or it'll burn your hands. But this is kind of where you're gonna feel the texture and feel if you need more peanut butter or if it's going to ball up nice and hold its shape. Like, this looks pretty good. But you just keep mixing it up until the peanut butter and the honey are all the way through. And then you can kind of start making your balls like that. And now that it's cooled down a little bit and you can make it into a ball, you can add in your chocolate chips. And mix them in. And as you can see, it made me about 24 balls. So those are my dirt balls. They're really good for going out and riding bike. They give you good energy bump when you're out. You don't have to go and buy Cliff Bars and stuff like that. And another thing is you can pretty much make them any way you want. You can put Cheerios in them. You can, skip the chocolate chips if you don't want those in there. They're just good, and you know exactly what's inside of them instead of, not really knowing if you bought, something from a store. So don't forget to subscribe to Gravel Bike Pirate and check out some more videos. Thanks for watching.